GE Appliance Repair on the Treasure Coast, Standard GE, GE Profile, and GE Cafe. We service them all. GE has 3 tiers. Standard GE, reliable, affordable, no-frills appliances. GE Profile, mid-premium with more features and sleeker designs. GE Cafe, their premium line with customizable hardware and pro-style aesthetics. Each tier has different repair characteristics. Standard GE appliances are the simplest to repair. Parts are inexpensive and diagnosis is straightforward. GE Profile adds more electronics, which means more potential failure points, but also more capable machines. GE Cafe is premium build quality with the most sophisticated controls. GE Refrigerators. Main control board failures on profile models are the most common call. Standard GE fridges are very reliable. We carry GE control boards for the most common models. GE washers. Top loaders with traditional agitators are bulletproof. The newer designs are good, but the suspension rods can be noisy. GE dryers. Reliable and straightforward. Standard repairs across the board. GE dishwashers. Mixed results on the profile line. Standard GE dishwashers are solid. Profile models have had some control panel and door latch issues. GE ranges. This is GE's strongest category. Gas ranges are excellent. Electric glass tops are reliable. Same-day GE repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. GE Appliance Repair. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.